Hello, Dan here, and 1st of October, and today I'm picking some carrots. So this is a variety called Championship Stock, and these can actually get very big indeed. Well, you can see these are not very big indeed. I literally just sowed these seeds is around sort of early mid-April time, and I haven't thinned them or anything like that. I literally just planted them and watered them, but even so I'm very happy actually with my little harvest here. So this is actually a container. It looks like it was once in somebody's loft, and I think that's great for growing carrots, you know, in fertile growing medium, the majority of which will be my own compost that I made. Another great thing about growing in containers like this is, of course, because you can put your own growing medium in, etc. And I don't have to use any tools to dig, to take them out. I'm literally just using my hands here. So I'm going to go through this container and remove the carrots. So I've got some more seeds inside, which I purchased, a company called Foster's Seeds, and I'm going to be growing this variety again next year, but I'm actually going to endeavour to grow some giant carrots, so stay tuned for that one. If you like my videos, please feel free to subscribe, of course. Share this video with anyone you think may find it interesting or useful, but certainly got a good carrot harvest here actually. So a few weeks ago I actually did harvest some carrots from here, and they were quite big. I should have filmed it really, but I didn't. Can't do everything. Yeah, so overall I'm very happy actually with this harvest. I've got loads of carrots here, really have. Now, as I stated, these have nowhere near reached their full potential size, simply because, you know, I adopted to sort of put them in and let them grow approach, and I didn't bother thinning them out, things like that. You really need to thin out carrots if you want them to get as big as possible, but it's no problem because I've still got a lovely crop here, which of course I'm very happy with. So growing medium wise, the majority of that in there is my own homemade compost. I've got videos on how to make compost, etc. I'll put some of them in the description box of the video below, and I also made a video last year on how to grow carrots in containers, where I go through the process of them, a growing season, so you might want to check that one out. But yeah, certainly this is nothing to complain about, is it really? Basically grown with very little effort. Of course I had to water them. Watering's not been overly challenging this year because I've had plenty of rain, but let's have a look. There you go. So I'm hoping that's coming out all right, but there we are. So we're going to weigh these now. I'm going to put them in this washing up bowl. Right, so that weighs 0.4 of a kilo, so I've got to take that off the eventual weight. So let's see what we've got here. 3.6 kilos, so take off the 0.4 is 3.2 kilos. So that's about 7 pounds, about half a stone of carrots here, variety Championship stock. So as I stated, got me seeds in there, got my seeds, and next year we'll see just how it all does. See you later.